Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your Sarasota real estate agent. Today we're doing an open house at our newest listing right up there at Harbor Pines, unit number 2. It's a condo right next to IMG here in Bradenton, just under $220,000. We look forward to answering any of your questions about this video. The condo itself might be gone by the time you see it because it is pretty popular. We've received a couple offers already, but we're going to do an open house today anyway. And I do want to show you the video just so you can see what a nicely remodeled 2-2 goes for here in Bradenton. So let's take a tour. So here it is, the upstairs unit, number 2. It's a corner unit right here in Harbor Pines, right next to the entrance and the tennis court. So as you come up here, number of stairs. So here's the entrance, coming in here to this upstairs unit in the corner. Really bright, nice LED lighting. Totally remodeled kitchen. Get a nice view when you're washing dishes. This is a bigger sink than usual. Most of the other units have it in the corner here. So it's a lot more practical what this owner has done with it. It's a nice little workspace you can set up. Fairly large living space. Here we do have the washer and dryer in unit, which is really important. Some lights here. As you can see, all new flooring, new vanities, mirrors, lighting. Nice accent room here. Back to the living space. It does feel bigger too because you have this lanai overlooking the lake, as well as our storage unit right there. So pretty quaint. And here we'll finally head into the master. Really spacious room. A lot of light from that window here. And again, the bathroom has been nicely remodeled with a new vanity, mirror, lighting, shower. Extra closet space, and of course closet space here. And that's what $218,500 gets you here in Bradenton, right next to IMG Academy, about 15 minutes from the beach or 15 minutes from the airport in the other direction. Hope you enjoy the tour. Let me know if you have any questions. So there you have it. That was a quick tour of our newest listing here in Bradenton. Nicely remodeled 2-2 condo. The HOA is right around $450. It does have a really nice pool about midway down the complex. And they take care of all the grounds and everything, of course. And there's the tennis court just to the side here. If you have any questions about this one, reach out to me. Like I said, it might be gone by the time you see this video, but it does give you an idea of what to expect when it comes to pricing for a 2-2. And we're gonna have a few more of these coming up here in the near future. So if you do have interest in a unit this size, let me know. If you have any other questions about living in Bradenton, I'd be happy to help. Thanks a lot.